Are your favorite sneakers looking a little worse to wear? Are you tired of struggling to get them clean? Introducing Agletless.nl Sneaker Cleaner, the ultimate solution for keeping your kicks fresh and clean. Fill the stain cleaner inside the brush and scrub it on the surface of sneaker to remove the stain from your sneaker. Then spray the foam cleaner on your sneaker and scrub it so that the leftover stain should remove properly. Then spray the water-tight spray on your sneaker to protect your sneaker from water dirt stains and can make them last longer. At last, use the smell freshener on your sneaker, which will kill bacteria and leave your sneaker smell fresh.